Hey guys, welcome once again to BMW Blog. We're here with the BMW X6, and this particular model has some M performance parts on it, and I just wanted to kind of show them to you. It's one of the few X6 that we've seen with the parts on the car, so it's always a good thing to just walk around and kind of take a look at them. So if we start at the front, you can see the standard keying grill has been replaced by a carbon fiber one. It's also a single piece keying grill. So that's one of the big changes at the front. If we go to the side, you can also see the M Performance brakes, this time around with some red calipers, so that's a nice change and a nice touch. Furthermore, if you move to the side, you can see the M Performance logo on the side. It's more of a wrap to give the car a sporty look. So on the bottom, you have a carbon fiber piece as well. That's also part of the M Performance catalog. And of course, you move to the back, you can see the carbon fiber diffuser. It's a standard also on the M Performance cars and with M Performance parts. You can also see the blacked out badge on the boot, so M50D in this case, and also the X6 logo. And as you'd expect, you're also getting a trunk spoiler made out of carbon fiber as well. Actually looks quite nice. It's a little bit slightly bigger than the standard one, and especially feels nice to the touch. The tips are also blacked out, so the exhaust pipes are all blacked out, a little bit different than what we've seen earlier today on the M50i. Here is a three-quarter view of the car. Once again, this is the Riverside blue color. It's new for the X6. It's a standard color. Let me open the doors also, take a look inside. So as you can see here, it's a new steering wheel, carbon fiber inserts, rounded double stitching here, and you also have the M Performance inscription on the bottom here. It also has the carbon fiber package inside, so on the doors, you can see it here. And if you look on the bottom, Alright, so once again, this is the BMW X6 with M Performance parts. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for some exclusive videos, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.